Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about job shop manufacturing. Let's jump right into it. Job shop manufacturing is a type of production process characterized by its flexibility and customization. Unlike assembly line manufacturing, which focuses on high-volume production of uniform products, job shops handle small to medium-sized production runs of varied products. Each job or order can be different, often requiring distinct processes, materials, and production techniques. Maintenance challenges in job shop manufacturing. Varied equipment and machinery. Job shops use a diverse range of equipment, each with different maintenance needs, making it difficult to standardize maintenance procedures. Unpredictable production schedules. Fluctuating production schedules and job changes can lead to irregular equipment use and varying wear and tear. Complex and custom production processes. Each job involves unique processes and materials, complicating the maintenance of equipment tailored to diverse tasks. Skilled labor shortages. Maintaining specialized equipment requires skilled technicians, and job shops often struggle to find and retain qualified personnel. High cost of downtime. Equipment failures or maintenance issues can be costly due to the impact on production schedules and customer satisfaction. Inventory management for spare parts. Managing a wide range of spare parts for different machinery can be challenging, leading to potential delays or excess inventory. Overcoming manufacturing challenges. Implement preventive and predictive maintenance. Regularly schedule maintenance tasks and use predictive tools to foresee potential issues, addressing them before they lead to equipment failure. Adopt flexible scheduling and resource management. Develop a dynamic production schedule that can adapt to changing job demands and resource availability to minimize delays. Invest in employee training and development. Provide continuous training to employees to enhance their skills and keep them up to date with new technologies and processes. Leverage technology and automation. Use advanced technologies and automation to streamline manufacturing processes, improve accuracy, and enhance maintenance efficiency. Optimize inventory and supply chain management. Implement systems to manage spare parts and materials effectively and build strong relationships with suppliers to ensure timely availability and reduce disruptions. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.